Today I'm going to show you how to make a double chocolate cake. For the cake you will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of butter or margarine, 150 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 100 millilitres of milk. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your caster sugar and your butter or margarine. Then add your eggs and your milk and mix until well combined. Then add your flour, your cocoa powder and your custard powder, and again mix really well until well combined and you have a nice batter. Then to a pre-greased and pre-lined cake tin. My cake tin was a 7-inch cake tin or 18 centimetres. Simply pour your batter in, just making sure that you push the batter to the edges of the cake tin. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for about an hour or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for your frosting you will need 250 grams of butter, a can of condensed milk, which is about 400 grams, and 100 grams of chocolate. I used milk chocolate, but you can use white or dark if you prefer. I also used some sprinkles as well. Making sure that your butter is room temperature, pop it into a bowl and use an electric whisk to beat for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then you want to start putting your condensed milk in. So I just pour it a little at a time and then use the electric whisk just to whisk it around a bit, just to incorporate it, and just keep adding the condensed milk until it is all added. Just keep whisking the mixture until it starts to thicken up a bit as well. Then you want to chop your chocolate into pieces and just melt it. So you can do it over a saucepan of hot water if you want. I do mine in the microwave, so I microwave it for 20 seconds at a time, giving it a mix in between. And then once melted, you just want to add this to your butter and condensed milk frosting. Again, just whisking it so then it's all really well combined and then the frosting starts to thicken up a bit. And then once you're happy with the consistency of your frosting, you then want to assemble your cake. So you just want to cut your cake in half, adding a layer of frosting in the middle. Then just put a layer of frosting all over the top of the cake and then just sprinkle with some sprinkles on top. And there you have it. That's how you make a double chocolate cake.